Welcome viewers to the second module of decision making, problem solving and decision making. Here we will discuss common tools and techniques of problem solving and decision making. What are the objectives of this module? At the end of this session, you will be able to identify what all are common tools and techniques for problem solving and decision making, and how to use these tools in engineering organizations. Decision-making tools are methods and exercises that individuals can use to approach problem-solving and choice-based scenarios effectively. These tools can often help guide you through the following phases of the decision-making process. Determination phase. This phase refers to the stage in the decision-making process through which you identify what your options and goals are. Then, what is the second one? Analysis phase. After determining your options and goals, you can conduct research, gather key information, and analyze the impact of each potential choice. You have to gather data and you have to analyze that data. What is the third one? The evaluation phase. With a full analysis of the actions you can take and any alternatives you have generated, you can enter the evaluation stage through which you determine the value of each option, including its benefits and drawbacks. So basically, these are payoffs. These are the payoffs of each of your alternative. What is the selection? You have to select out of those payoffs. Using the data you have gained through your analysis and evaluation phases, you can make an informed decision and select an option you identified through the determination stage. And finally, what is the assessment stage? After you make a decision, you can later assess your actions and examine them to understand the short-term and long-term impacts of your choice. What are the benefits of using decision-making tools? They help better understand the entire decision-making process and closely examine the choices available in specific situations. They help in analysis of options and their evaluations for a data-driven approach to determine what course of action is best. They provide you with the ability to make informed selections, and they help you strengthen one's innate decision-making skills and become more adept at problem solving and overcoming challenges. So coming to the decision-making tools, first of all, we have brainstorming. It is also called mind spin. What is a brainstorming session? It is basically the bread and butter of a problem solving process. All problem-solving strategies benefit from getting ideas out and challenging a team to generate solutions quickly. So basically, it is our teamwork. And with Mindspin, participants are encouraged to generate ideas under time constraints by slamming down cards and passing them on multiple rounds. So basically, they write down their ideas while sitting in a brainstorming session in a team, and they pass on to the others. So importance of helping people become engaged in the process because it is a teamwork. Again, it is a teamwork. Technique can help ensure your team stays engaged and happy even when the problem they are coming together to solve are complex. What are 5 whys? This is the second tool. 5 whys. Basically, it was developed by Shigechi Toyota, the Japanese industrialist, inventor, and founder of Toyota Industries, and it was developed by him in 1930. It became popular in 1970s, and Toyota still uses it to solve problems today. Toyota has a go and see philosophy because what is its philosophy? Its decision making is based on an in-depth understanding of what's actually happening on the shop floor rather than on what someone in a boardroom thinks might be happening. Somebody, while sitting in his office on his table, on his chair, cannot think what is happening on the shop floor. One has to go to shop floor actually to see the problems. Let's see. We take the examples of alarm clock did not sound in the morning. What was the problem? Actually, the problem was in the morning you ran through a red light. Why you ran through a red light? You were late for work. And why you were late for work? Because you woke up late. And why you woke up late? Alarm did not work. And why your alarm did not work? Because you found that it has an exhausted battery. Oh, why battery was exhausted? Actually, you forgot to check it at night. So you reached at the root cause. What is the root cause? The battery of the alarm clock. So decision is buy batteries for the alarm clock. So here are 5 whys. But it is not necessary that your problem can be solved exactly in 5 whys. You may have more or less whys also, right? So it depends on problem to problem that how many whys you are using. Number 3, cause and effect diagram, also known as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. It needs brainstorming session. Again, causes of variations, they are set. Broad causes of potential causes for the effect are man, material, method, machines, and environment. But these are not the only categories. The variations in your system may be due to some other causes also. Okay, what are the advantages of using cause and effect diagram? Itself, it is an enlightening process. It reduces irrelevant discussions. It separates causes from symptoms, and it can be used in any problem. And you can see that this is basically the format of using cause and effect diagram. Different causes make an effect, and it is just like a fishbone diagram. An example, different causes, these causes, they are making the effect, and effect is being produced due to these causes. We can go up to even branches and sub branches also. Okay, coming to the next one. What is Pareto analysis? It is a ranked histogram. What is ranked histogram? It can be used to prioritize corrective action. It is based on principle given by Alfredo Pareto in 1848 to 1923. Small number of individuals possess most of the wealth. This is a statement given by me. Is it correct? I think it is correct. You can see around you in the world that most of the wealth of the world are possessed by a few people. How many people? 80-20 rule. What is 80-20 rule? Means we can say that 80% of the wealth of the world is possessed by 20% of the people of the world. Yes, it is correct. So this is the graphical depiction of Pareto analysis. You can see that first 2 bars, they are the most important bars. When you are, let's say, you are focusing on problems of your organization, you can see that most of the problems, means 80% of the problems are due to only 20% of the causes. You can remove those causes and you will be able to nullify these causes, and you can find a good result. Okay, this is 20-80 rule. Next is decision matrix. What is a decision matrix? It can help you evaluate the varying option of a decision comprehensively. These tools are essentially tables with multiple columns, including one that contains each option and others that contain all other factors that play into a decision. Using this information, you can rank all factors by importance and score each option to identify which is best suited for your needs. This is the depiction of your decision matrix. We have cost, location, technical equipment, and available sports, and you can see that we can divide it into certain venues and you can score it accordingly. By making this table, you may have decisions to locate it, how much cost can be spent, and technical equipment, where it is needed, where it is located, and so on. Different decisions can be taken with the help of decision matrix. So this is all. This is the end of part 1 of the second module. We will be meeting in part 2. Thank you very much.